So today I was working on the Black 560 SEC project. I just removed the original non-functional and obsolete security system that someone had installed in the car in the early 2000s. I had a lot of wiring to repair because whoever has had this car in the past has questionable skills at best. There is damage to the wiring harnesses all over the car. The central locking system, car stereo installation, all the wiring behind the instrument cluster, around the engine bay as well, and around the central locking pump in the back. I found this most disturbing, but I've repaired as much as I can, up to my levels of satisfaction, and I have fit this remote central locking kit while I was in there today. Some of these wires have to be reconnected again. I've temporarily just used the existing wiring that was left by the idiots of the past for testing purposes. It will be corrected later. This is the unit just hanging here temporarily so I can test it out, and this unit works perfectly with the pneumatic central locking in the 80s and 90s Benzes, so to give them a remote control to lock and unlock the car. This is just showing some of my work in progress, wiring this module up. It seems pretty reasonable. The remotes seem to be quite high quality, as you can see here. It also has the ability to work with a remote trunk opening, but obviously you can't do that on these cars without adding additional hardware. Overall, the unit's pretty good. The only thing I didn't like about it was the gauge of the wiring that came with the unit, the harness adapter itself. I don't think they could have possibly made the wiring any thinner if they tried. I have questions as to how long it could even flash those indicators before the wiring melted, but it seems to work nonetheless. I finished off by repairing some of the dodgily installed car stereo wiring as well, and replaced all of the corroded original fuses, so it's pretty good now.